What's good? What's glam? Saying hi to my mup fam. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shy, and I'm back again with another video. Before we get right into this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below, subscribe, and do not forget to click that bell notification so you'll not miss a single banger. Because I'm dropping bangers all 2020. So, yeah. But today, I'm going to be unboxing my ring light. It just came from Amazon. It's a teenage, so let's get this cut off. I don't think I need this. Oh, nope, I lied. Free band. Okay. And here's the ring light. Now I'm finna see what it looks like. Feel like beauty face. I wonder if it got the stuff with it that it said it came with. Or some. Y'all don't even know how to put this together. And that's just true. Okay. We're just dropping. Oh, it's a little cute little ring light. Wait till I put it all together. I'm not putting this together. Not right now. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done putting it together. But this would look like. And I'm gonna put it together off camera. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, so I put it together, and this would it look like. I guess my phone goes in here. Y'all really don't even know if this right, because this look. I'm gonna figure it out, but I'm still working on it. You feel me? Oh, okay, whatever. But no, I'm gonna show y'all the brightness to this. So the different little ornaments. So you got, bam, baby, bam. This one is good. Okay, sorry. Then we got the next stage, which is like a lamp, like my light. And then we get, last but not least, we have this stage. It's both of them mixed together. They got like these up and down buttons for, I think, the camera for when I put my phone right there. So when I start pictures. But this is it, y'all. This is what it looks like. It's small. Some cute, some, you know. They got all the little different ones. So, yeah. I'm going to be using this a lot more in my videos. Y'all going to see me, period. But that's all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys really like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell notification. But baby, it's light. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.